Hi there! Thank you so much for purchasing this wedding planner binder and bundle. I hope it will be really helpful for planning your wedding since it has so much information, and it's wonderful to have everything organized in one place. Now, I'd love to help you edit it as easily as possible, so I've put together this quick tutorial to guide you through everything. Go to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and create a free account. Open the PDF you got from Etsy. Inside, you'll find your Canva template link. Click it, and the template will open directly in your Canva account. In Canva, all your tools are in the Tool panel on the left. The Elements section is where you'll find shapes, icons, illustrations, stickers, frames, grids, and more. With the free version, you get access to a selection of these, while Canva Pro gives you access to everything. You'll also find photos, text blocks, uploaded files, backgrounds, videos, and other tools, all in the same panel, so customizing your planner is super easy. Don't worry. Each planner is packed with tons of information inspired by real weddings. Every planner comes with a few cover options that you can fully customize. Right now, the wedding planner title is highlighted in a large calligraphy font while your names are smaller, but you can easily switch them around if you want so it looks exactly the way you like. Click on any text box to type your own words. You can change the font, size, or color using the toolbar above. Click a text box or table cell to type your content. To remove anything, press Delete. In the bottom left, the three dots let you add or delete a row, and in the top right, the three dots let you add or remove a column. To go back to a previous action, just press Ctrl-Z and you'll return to the last step. Click the background to change its color or apply a gradient to match your style. For home printing, you can leave it white to save ink. If you don't find images in Canva that match your style and you want to replace them with your own, download your personal photos. Then, drag and drop an image onto an existing shape or image in the template. Resize and position it as you like. Go to the page you want to copy and click the Duplicate Page button above the editor. To remove a page, select it in the Page panel and click the trash icon. Select shapes, icons, or graphics to resize, move, rotate, or recolor them to fit your style. You can replace any element with one you prefer. Also, you can group or ungroup elements for better positioning. Now let's talk about hyperlinks. You can link to a website or to other pages in your planner. To add a website link, click on a text box or an element like an image or shape. Then, click the link button in the top toolbar, type or paste your URL, and press Apply. To link to another page in your planner, select your text or element, click the link button, then choose Page and select the page you want to link to. If you add or delete pages, remember to update your table of contents so all links stay correct. This keeps your planner easy to navigate. It's essential that everything is perfectly organized so the bride and the entire bridal party can stay relaxed. That's why it's important for everyone to have easy access to clear, structured information. This way, you can effortlessly share details with your wedding party, vendors, caterers, and anyone involved in the ceremony or reception, ensuring everyone is on the same page and no one has to ask questions on the wedding day. The best part is that with just a click, you can share everything instantly, keeping everyone informed and stress-free. Here's how to do it. After editing, click Share, then select Download. Choose your preferred file type, standard PDF or print PDF, and download the file. Once downloaded, you can easily send it via WhatsApp or email to your wedding party and vendors, so everyone has all the information they need. Now let's talk about the ceremony floor plan, the reception floor plan, and the decoration setup. We'll go through them one by one. In the ceremony floor plan examples, every detail is designed to reflect real ceremonies, whether big or intimate, so you can get inspired and easily customize everything to match your own style and needs. You can easily adjust the number of chairs. To remove some, simply select and press Delete. To add more, select the chairs, hold Alt, and drag to duplicate. For bigger setups, make the chairs a bit smaller so they fit neatly on the page, then duplicate as many as you like. In the ceremony decor setup, you can edit absolutely everything. just like on every page of the planner. These symbols represent the standing people: officiant, bride, groom, maid of honor, bridesmaids, best man, groomsman, flower girl, and ring bearer. Here you have the bride's parents, and here the groom's parents. The guest seating is numbered to match your guest list. This is the arch, the decor pieces, the aisle, and the welcome sign. You can change colors, designs, or the arrangement of the people in front. You can also add decorative elements that fit your style if the examples don't match your theme or color palette. Upload personal photos or use inspiration from Canva. Just go to Elements, select Graphics or Photos, type what you're looking for, and drag and drop it into place. Here are a few examples for you so you can see how it works. Feel free to use your own photos or browse inspirational images from Elements. Just drag and drop them wherever you'd like to update the decor. You can easily change the aisle color, the arch, or any decorations. Keep it simple and make it your own. This is your reception guide. Everything here is already arranged to inspire you and help you see all the possibilities for your event. On this other page, you'll find all the elements laid out in rows so you can easily pick and place them exactly how you like. You can choose to keep the outline of the room or space or remove it entirely. It's completely up to you. Start by deciding on your total guests and how many sit at each table. Arrange the tables so that everyone has space and all key areas, the dance floor, bar, food, and dessert, are easily accessible. Take your time to experiment with the layout, try different arrangements, and adjust everything until it feels just right. Remember, this is your event, your special day, so have fun dragging, dropping, and personalizing each detail to match your vision. As you design your setup, take a moment to think about all those little touches that make your guests feel special and comfortable. Consider how many seats you'll place at each table, how well your guests connect, and how the space flows between tables. Make sure everyone can easily reach the dance floor, the food and drinks tables, the bar, the gift area, and the photo corner. When everything feels thoughtful and balanced, your wedding reception will flow effortlessly, creating a warm, joyful atmosphere and memories your guests will cherish forever. Now it's time to have some fun designing your seating layout. Play around with different arrangements, round tables, long rectangular ones, or even a beautiful mix of both. Try what feels right for your theme and venue space. The goal is to create a layout that feels natural, balanced, and welcoming for your guests, making every detail of your celebration both elegant and comfortable. Decorate in your own unique style by replacing the inspiration images with your personal ones. It's super easy. Upload your photos, then drag and drop them into the desired position. This way, every detail reflects your personality and makes your planner truly yours. Let's do a quick recap. This is how you can beautifully highlight your names, using a calligraphic font or any other style you love. Feel free to play around until it perfectly matches your vision. In the top toolbar, you can easily change the font, size, and color of your text. You can also align, center, or adjust its position until everything looks just right. From the top bar, you can change the background color. Choose white for a clean, elegant look, or to save ink when printing. Or select any color that reflects your personal style. Just make sure to adjust the text color so everything stays clear and easy to read. To ungroup elements, simply right-click and select Ungroup. To rotate an element, click on the rotation symbol. To resize an element, select it and drag while holding the Shift key. To add a row, click on the three dots at the bottom left and select Add or Delete Row. To add a column, click on the three dots at the top right and choose Add or Delete Column. To replace the images in your planner used as inspiration, upload your personal photos. Then simply drag and drop them into the existing image frame and reposition them however you like. This way, your planner feels truly personal and unique. Absolutely everything in this bundle is editable: text, images, shapes, colors, backgrounds, and elements. Enjoy customizing your planner exactly the way you like so your event turns out just as you've dreamed. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, I'm always here for any questions. Just send me a message and I'll be happy to help right away.